Elizabeth Donoff, editor of Architectural Lighting magazine. I'm here at Pier 17 in New York City on a beautiful summer evening, July 25th, looking at Olafur Eliasson's Waterfalls. There are 4 installations around the East River. The one that you're viewing right now is underneath the Brooklyn Bridge. At night, these waterfalls take on a completely different characteristic than they do during the day. The effect at night for its illumination was to make it seem as if the water was being moonlit. As you pan out and look in the distance, you can see another of the waterfalls. You see the Brooklyn Bridge, the Manhattan Bridge, and the Williamsburg Bridge all the way off in the distance. What's amazing about these installations is the sheer volume of water that's being pumped up 90 and 120 feet on the respective waterfalls, recycled, and then brought back down. As you continue panning, you look across from Pier 17 to Brooklyn Heights specifically, and the Esplanade. You can begin to see the third of the waterfalls from this vantage point. And as you continue and look all the way towards out through the East River, the Verrazano Narrows, Governor's Island, you see the fourth waterfall. From this vantage point here at Pier 17, you can see all 4 of the installations. The highly illuminated building is actually the vent, I believe, for the one of the tunnels. The waterfall under the Brooklyn Bridge is the widest and certainly perhaps the most compelling given its site. Dynamic in only the way that an installation in New York City could be. This is Elizabeth Donoff, editor of Architectural Lighting magazine, coming to you from Pier 17 in New York City, July 25th.